students. Today we're going to discuss a concept on DT based approach. This I'll give a small industrial scenario. You just solve that with the DT based approach. Imagine a company EV vehicle is there in a area which is the only one company. There is no any other competitor for that particular company. They are having a good sales scenario over there. After some period, a new company started over there. After the new company comes over there, there was a drastic reduction in the sales. So the senior manager in that particular company want to find out what is the problem over there and to give a appropriate solutions. I want you all to have a brainstorm and come with a DT based solution. Yeah, you just discuss among yourselves and just come with a solution. So we can conclude how come this concept will map with the ethical, professional ethics. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. We have empathy based on DT, sir. And we have built an idea solution also.
Good to know. Yeah, just go with your statements.
Sir, as per DT, we have planned empathy first and define and ideate prototype and testing.
Yeah, that's good. What you have done for an empathy part? Who are the questionnaires that you have asked and come up with the problem statements?
As per we empathized, we have took a survey from stakeholders and we have most unskilled laborers in our company, sir. So this is the main empathy we have faced, sir, in this company. And we have took survey to that stakeholders. They have told that spare parts from company have a lag in stock, that like that.
So they said that it takes more time to reach. After giving the requirement, it takes more time to reach to the customers. Okay, right. And what then how come you define the problems that are addressed by the stakeholders?
We analyzed first empathy to define my idea was unskilled laborers and the issues addressed by customer take to more time to manufacturing side and R&D side. So these are defined.
Yeah, that's good to know. So what you have said, from that you identified what are the main root cause of the problems. There are some unskilled laborers. Why there are unskilled laborers? You are an old age company. Why there were unskilled laborers? Whether you have newly recruited them?
Sir, many of the laborers from our company, which they are skilled, they have just gone to another company, sir. They have given them high salary package. So some unskilled laborers, like if they need some.
So you recruited new employees, they were unskilled. So this also that to be in your empathy. Your existing employees moved to another company. So they paid for them the good salary, so they moved to another company. So we can add that also in the empathy statement, no issues. Just you have identified and defined. Then what you have done for ideate process?
From the define and empathies, we have ideate that we plan to train the unskilled labor with the experienced person. So it's good for production also. That we have give 1 week for training. So he experienced, I think. Then we reduce the time of customers to connect the stores and the manufacturing unit with a single line transmission.
So earlier it was a human transmission. Now you want to automate it.
Yes.
When the customers want reach the stores, if they have made any requirement, it can be directly reached to the manufacturing and R&D unit. So you computerize the system and it immediately reaches the manufacturing unit. So that's how we have ideated. So then what is the next stage? What you have done in that particular stage?
So next we have done prototype, sir. By the steps to make the prototype, we have changed the equipment, sir. Equipment if the
So you have done the maintenance work.
Maintenance,
Yeah, good.
default equipment. We have done practice to unskilled laborers also, sir. So they can do the work in a simple and effective way. And we have just take some intern also, sir, from other company, from other college institutions. And we have done a prototype by using the help of them, and we have done within the shortage time. After that, we have tested this using our labors, sir. And
Whether you have made a check whether this what your competitors, how come your competitors have been crossed you, whether you have cross-checked with your competitors. Once again, are you able to reach the customers at earlier? Are you able to achieve more profit? Whether you have done the part?
yes, sir, we have done, but not equal. But we have somewhat increased. Like if they are in 100%, we are in 85%. That like we have tested, sir. After selling to market side, we may predict that we will be at rise.
Thank you, students. Good to know that you have done the given problem statement with the help of DT and come up with a proper solution. This is how we have to implement the same in our day-to-day life. In an industrial scenario, there will be more competitors among ourselves. So come up with the proper solutions. We have to implement all the 5 stages what we have learned here and to come up with the proper solutions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.